Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see what is WordPress and what is the difference between normal WordPress.org and the WordPress we install on Hostinger. Why WordPress is that much popular and how it is helpful for your career learning WordPress. So WordPress is a CMS content management system that helps people with non-coding can maintain their website, adjust their websites and make new content on the website. Previously, it is difficult for the people to develop a website because without WordPress it is difficult. You need to code on HTML and you need to write lines of code. But after getting WordPress, you don't need to do any coding there. So just you need to install WordPress on your server or you need to get set up. So when it comes to the WordPress, there are two types. That number one is WordPress.org. So it is the official WordPress site where you can directly host your website on their hosting by using the WordPress. So people who prefer WordPress, they will go with the WordPress. If they want to post on WordPress cloud, so you have another option to download the WordPress and install it on it. If you see, these are the best hostings that will help. When it comes to the hosting, it is difficult true for the beginner because the hosting charges of Bluehost is very high, and when it compared to the Hostinger, so if you are a beginner, I will suggest you to host on Hostinger because it is beginner friendly. You don't need to spend a lot of money and it has a assisted installation option. So when you want to install any new WordPress, they will give the instructions how to install, how to set up a template and everything. So once you set up template, you will get dashboard like this. Here you have multiple options checking the traffic of your website. Previously, to develop the dashboard is very difficult, so you have only static website. But by using this WordPress installation, you can get all information about how many people are visited for your site, what is the status, and here we have options to post a new post. If you are the person who is not interested in the coding but you want a website, you can use just click on post. You can get a option to add the number of posts similar like social media sites like X, Facebook, everything. So you have option to do the credit. Here the main thing is instead of you code everything, you have general English where by acting on it you will create a new content on the WordPress. So you have options to build your own theme. You can install, you can check on the WordPress and you will have multiple themes that are free and paid based on your budget and your capacity. You can install there. If you want to install, you can get click on add theme. It will take you to the marketplace where you will find multiple based on your requirement. If you are designing a business website, you can install business. If you are designing for a hotel, you can install that one. So if you want to build a e-commerce site, so at that time you need to install a theme that supports the e-commerce like payment gateway, shipping details on container. So here we have a plugin. So the main purpose of the plugin is to install functionality. So previously, if you don't have this plugin, if you want to add a WhatsApp automation, so again you need to code and integrate, test a lot. So but by using the plugin, you can just search for the particular specifications and add it here. So if you see here, my plan is to add. So if you want to install anything, any functionality, you can search here. For example, here I want to add a WhatsApp button on my website, so I will search for WhatsApp. It will give the plugins that will integrate WhatsApp onto this particular website. So these are the different types of WhatsApp integrations. So you can search here. You can, if you see, you have multiple things, but here you can check out for the plugins that provide a plugin information like WhatsApp integration. Here social data provide the specific functionality. Floating chat provide the specific floating chat provides you the specific functionalities. So if you see below, we have the rating and the number of installation. Based on that, you can check the which chatbot, which plugin is famous and working good. So if you see the latest update, it is updated regularly and it is compatible with your WordPress. So if this compatibility is not there, if you install that one, it will break down your site. So always check for the compatibility. When it comes to the rating, if the plugin is not good, the rating rating will be low. By installing that, it may cause issue on your site. So always prefer selecting the plugin that have more active installations along with a good rating and latest updates and compatible. So in this way, you can add new functionalities, you can add new posts without any coding. This is the best thing that. So when it comes to the hosting, as per now, I am using the hosting services because the major reason is previously I used Bluehost. The thing is, whenever I enable a Bluehost, it is taking much money. But after I know about the Hostinger, I shifted to Hostinger. Here the renewal cost is similar as the first time like a buyer. If you have no budget, you can go with the Hostinger. You will get a basic website at a few dollars, like $5, $6. You can start with that. If you want to increase your server based on your traffic, you can use. So this is the overall thing about the WordPress. So you can install that. So in the next video, I will show how to install this particular WordPress on the Hostinger server, and regularly I will post content over like building different websites using the WordPress to build. So if you like this video, you can follow me. If you are looking to learn about WordPress, you can follow me and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.